Hi there and welcome to my beginner's guide to Python programming. In this video, I'll introduce you to the world of Python and show you why it is so popular and what it can be used for. So what exactly is Python programming? In simple terms, Python is a high-level programming language that is known for its ease of use and flexibility. Python is popular because it has a clean and concise syntax that makes it easy to learn and read. For example, let's say you want to print the phrase "Hello World" on the screen. In Java, you will need to write this code. This code can be a bit complicated and hard to understand for beginners. However, in Python, you can achieve the same result with just a single line of code. Print "Hello World." Just imagine that. As you can see, Python code is much simpler and shorter. You don't need to worry about things like terminating semicolons or curly braces. And as you continue learning Python, you will see that Python code is also more English-like and expressive, making it easier for beginners to learn and understand. Personally, just talking about Python right now, especially after working with lower-level languages such as C, C++, and Java, I can just feel the ease. Python is just so easy to learn, and that's why it's a great language for beginners to start with. Another reason why Python is so popular is that it has a vast and supportive community and a huge range of libraries, frameworks, and tools for various applications. This means that if you are using Python and you need help, there is a vast community of developers who are ready and willing to assist you. And there are many pre-built pieces of Python code which are called modules and libraries that you can just plug into your own project, which can save you a lot of time and effort. In the business world, Python is used in various industries such as data science, web development, machine learning, and more. It is a versatile language that can help solve a broad range of problems. For example, data scientists and data analysts use Python to analyze and make sense of large sets of data. Software developers and web developers use Python to build and maintain software applications and websites. Machine learning engineers and artificial intelligence or AI specialists use Python to build systems that can learn and make decisions on their own. That's not all. DevOps engineers and system administrators use Python to automate and manage software deployments and system configuration tasks. Robotics engineers and automation specialists also use Python to write programs that control robots and automate tasks. In the world of hacking and attacks, cybersecurity professionals use Python to write programs that help protect computer systems and networks from hackers and other threats. Also, network engineers and network security specialists use Python to automate and manage computer networks and ensure their security. And even that's not all. Quantitative analysts and financial analysts use Python to analyze financial data and make predictions about the future performance of stocks and other investments. GIS analysts and geospatial professionals use Python to analyze and visualize geographic data such as maps and satellite images. And last but not the least, technical writers and educators also use Python to create tools and resources that help people learn and understand programming concepts. Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple, said something before he died. He said, "Everyone in this country should learn how to program because it teaches you how to think." So no matter your background, whether you are a student, a scientist, or someone who just likes to build things, if you want to learn how to program computers, then Python is a perfect language for you. I believe the time has come for you not just to be a consumer of technology, but a producer of technology, and you can do that with Python. To start using Python, you can download the latest version of Python for free on the official Python website called python.org. Python can be used on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Just download and follow the instructions to install Python on your computer and you'll be ready to start coding. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you are feeling excited about all the things you can do with Python. I love this language because it's so easy to learn and use, and there are so many amazing things you can do with it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be the first to be notified when I post new videos. I post new coding videos every week to help you improve your skills and learn something new. My name is Darlington and I've been a software engineer for about 20 years. I love teaching people about coding and helping them achieve their goals. Thanks again for watching, and as always, happy coding.